Sanmonani guys, welcome to yet another YouTube video. Yazi, I was thinking about Ubabum Seligu and I was thinking about his treatment towards Inganzaki. And I'm thinking about the saying le yoguti, a man loves the children of a woman that he loves. Ukuthi could this saying be true or not? I look at how Ubabum Seligu treats his children differently, and it is no secret that he has his favorites amongst his children. Obviously, Ubabum Selegu, he is a traditional man, and ngesintu, the male child, a boy child, seemingly is much more important than a female child because it is understood that the male child carries the seed to ukwandisa umuzi basically. So I kind of guess Uti that's the reason why Ubabum Selego like loves the boy children more than the girl children. And maybe the word love is maybe big for me to use, but in the way he treats them, you can see that there's a difference. I remember there was a one episode that I was watching Lagu YouTube. Kona ilokhuzana like a channel for abomnini that they have. It's a kiddies channel, it's a children's channel where they basically do vlogs or they videoize the children. And Inganyambali, the oldest one, I forgot what's her name. She was crying this once, and she was saying that ubaba agaba treating ngokufana, like he doesn't treat them the same. And she was saying that umnini like gets much more or gets preferential treatment than her. So you can see with the children already, they can tell that there's a difference. She even said that the way ubaba treats abafana base in comparison to the girl children is not the same. So it's a known thing. But not only that, I'm also curious to think, what do you guys think? When you look at Ubabum Selegu, the relationship that he has, Nengane, like that of his past relationships, like Usne, the relationship that he has unosne and lo munye, what's her name, lo hlala no Tobile, like I feel like it's still like not the same. I feel like he doesn't treat those two the same, like the ones that about like the children of the woman that he's married. And I don't know if maybe that is connected to the fact that maybe because he didn't marry the mothers of Usne, Nolokuzana, and Inganga Makumalo. Maybe that's the reason why. Because if you didn't know better, you'd swear those two children are kind of like outsiders. Because Umsele didn't marry Magasne. Fine, given Utusne, she has done some stuff that have affected the relationship between her and Ubabum Selegu, and that's the reason why he treats her the way he treats her. But still, at the end of the day, guys, you are a parent. Like, agunam to throw away your kid. So you can't come to the level of a kid and say, Uti, like, I'm gonna treat you the way you treat me, like the way you don't care about stuff, and I'm gonna be the I don't care type. But Ke Usne is old. But that other one, lo, ingani Makumalo, yeah, I just feel like there's a difference, guys. I don't know. And I feel like even amongst the kids that he loves the most is Inganza Mayeni. And I don't know if that truly is an indicator that maybe his heart is much more nomayeni than anyone else. Angaz, guys, because I can see Nomaxele sometimes she gets irritated of how Ulwandle like is not, he doesn't get the same treatment as Ulokuzan. What's his name? Ulwandle doesn't get the same treatment as Lumfana Mayeni ngemkhohliwe igama. He doesn't get the same treatment even though he is like the heir or the heir of the Mselegu family. Or maybe it's because Umpumelelo, he's the one who's running with the vision. But there's a difference. Even when you look at Ingane Lezncane, Umnini is the one who gets preferential, like Umseleku loves Umnini amongst all the other younger children. So, hey, angazicela ningitsheleni ukuthi like, am I thinking my own things or do you see what I see as well? Please do me a favor by liking the video before Pumaguyo. Subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.